Have you ever wondered how humans interact with their environment? Today, we explore the fascinating theory of possibilism. This theory suggests that while the environment limits our actions, it does not fully determine them. Let's dive deeper into this concept and its significance. First, consider that the environment sets boundaries for human actions. We cannot simply grow crops in just any climate. Certain environments have specific possibilities. However, within these constraints, humans still make choices. We adapt and transform our surroundings to suit our needs. Next, let's talk about human agency. Unlike the idea of environmental determinism, possibilism recognizes human beings as active participants. We don't just react, we shape our world through decisions. Cultural values play a significant role too. Our beliefs and institutions mediate how we respond to our environment. They influence what we see as possible. Now, let's bring in history. The past shows us that outcomes depend on human actions and context. What happened historically was influenced by choices made within environmental limits. Moving on to a broader perspective, we see the environmental turn in history. Historians have begun to extensively study the environment's role in shaping human events. Key themes in this approach include examining climate changes. For instance, the medieval warm period and the Little Ice Age significantly affected agriculture and society. Diseases throughout history also shape our path. Events like the Black Death impacted demographics and politics, showing how closely linked health and history can be. Moreover, societies have exploited resources, leading to environmental consequences. Forests, minerals, and water have all been at risk due to human actions. Some civilizations collapsed because of environmental degradation. A good example is Easter Island, which faced severe consequences due to resource overuse. Yet, there are stories of sustainability and resilience too. Historians study how societies develop practices to cope with environmental challenges. Felipe Fernández-Armesto offers a unique perspective. In his work, he emphasizes that our success is tied to how we interact with our environment. He defines civilizations as civilized environments. This means how we shape and adapt to our surroundings speeds up our journey to success. Fernández-Armesto's global approach examines various environments. He doesn't focus just on famous civilizations but includes highland and island cultures, expanding our understanding massively. Let's summarize today's key points. Possibilism shows us that while the environment imposes limits, human choices matter. Cultural mediation influences our interactions with the world. The environmental turn in history enriches our knowledge of human development. It highlights essential themes like climate impact, diseases, resource exploitation, and sustainability. Now, here comes your call to action. Take a moment to reflect on how you interact with your environment. How do your choices shape your world? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us today.